3, 2, 1, start. The subject matter of challenge in the instant writ application is an order dated 3rd July, 2010 passed by the respondent number 1 as contained in the memorandum dated 6th July, 2010. Stop para. Mr. Sen, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that the writ petitioner was appointed to the post of assistant teacher in geography at Bikramnagar, Horonath, Niroda Sundari Ghosh Vidya Mandir within bracket HS within bracket hereinafter referred to as the said school, after the emerging to be successful in the selection process conducted on the basis of the prior permission memorandum dated 2nd April, 1997 issued by the respondent number 3. Stop. Such appointment of the petitioner was duly approved by the respondent number 3 vide memorandum dated 9th December, 1997 and he was granted the graduate scale of pay. Stop. Though the petitioner disclosed his qualification to be Bachelor of Arts within bracket honors in geography, he was erroneously granted the graduate scale of pay. Stop. Pointing out such irregularities, the petitioner approached the school authorities and upon consideration of the petitioner's claim, the school authorities recommended towards grant of honors scale of pay to the petitioner and subsequent thereto, the petitioner was duly placed in the honors scale of pay and was granted the consequential benefits by the competent authority. Stop para. Mr. Sen further contends that the petitioner was granted the honors scale of pay on and from the year 1999 till February, 2005 and in support of such contention, Mr. Sen drew the attention of this court to the acquittance roll at pages 76 and 78 of the writ application. Stop. Mr. Sen also draws attention of this court to page 77 of the writ application and submits that from the said annexure it would be explicit that the grant of honors scale of pay in favor of the petitioner stood admitted by the respondent number 3. Stop. Surprisingly thereafter, the grant of honors scale of pay to the petitioner was discontinued with effect from March, 2005 without any grant of opportunity of hearing and aggrieved by such action of the respondents, the petitioner approached this court through a writ application being WP number 6173 within bracket W of 2008 and the same was disposed of by an order dated 8th February, 2010 and pursuant to such order the respondent number 2 passed the impugned order which had been challenged in the instant writ application. Stop para. Mr. Sen draws the attention of this court to the order dated 8th February, 2010 passed in WP number 6173 within bracket W of 2008 and submits that the matter was relegated to the respondent number 2 and the consideration was restricted to ascertainment of the fact as to whether the petitioner disclosed her honors qualification at the time of application for appointment to the concerned post. Stop. The court further observed that if the respondent number 2 arrives at a finding that such disclosure was made by the petitioner, her honors scale of pay should be restored and all arrears should be paid. Stop para. Mr. Sen submits that though the respondent number 2 in the impugned memorandum dated 6th July, 2010 arrived at a finding that the petitioner had disclosed her honors qualification at the time of appointment, the said respondent number 2 illegally rejected the petitioner's claim only by incorporating a statement to the effect that the issue towards grant of such higher scale of sub judice stop. According to Mr. Sen, there was no embargo towards grant of such honors scale of pay in favor of the petitioner as per the recruitment rules operative at the time of the petitioner's appointment and that there was also no bar under the said recruitment rules within bracket pages 53 to 66 bracket close towards participation of a higher qualified person in a post earmarked for lower qualification. Stop. In the said recruitment rules, there was also no provision towards grant of any additional marks for the higher qualification held by the candidates. Stop.